Shopping tips for full kit barn doors. Hardware is one of the most important components of a barn door. When you choose a full kit barn door, it usually comes with all the hardware needed to install your new door. It's still a good idea to make sure everything's there though. Look specifically for the following 8 pieces: the track, rollers, connectors, door hangers, door guides, stops, jump blocks, and standoffs. Each piece has a specific purpose that helps your barn door hang properly and function smoothly. The better the hardware, the easier it will be to operate your door. More importantly, when installed properly, each hardware component ensures your barn door operates safely as well. Choosing the right rail size for your full kit barn door can make the difference between a door with gaps and one that closes completely and seamlessly. Barn door rails usually come in standard sizes such as 60 inches or 5 feet, 72 inches or 6 feet, and 84 inches, which is 7 feet. The key to ordering the right size is to choose one several inches wider than your opening. For example, narrow passageways may need a custom cut rail that's smaller than normal, while an opening larger than 7 feet may need 2 or more rails mounted. This holds true for single and double door openings. Well, your full kit barn door will come with all the hardware you need to install your new door or have it installed. You might need some extra components. For example, you may want to change out the door pulls into something that better matches your home's decor, or you may choose to add faux hinge straps to give the appearance of a rustic barn door. You can also choose to install a privacy lock on the inside of the door, especially if it's the doorway to a bathroom or bedroom. Finally, you may want to order clavos, which are interesting decorative nails that add character and architectural texture to your barn door. This video brought to you by Doors.com.